Welcome back to Prime Man TV, the channel where men over 40 come to dominate their health, boost energy, and take back control of their lives. Today, I'm dropping the 7 health hacks every man over 40 needs to know. These aren't your usual drink water and sleep more tips. Nope. These are real, proven, life-changing strategies that work specifically for men in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. So if you've been feeling tired, gaining belly fat, struggling with energy or motivation, stick around. These 7 hacks could literally turn your life around. Let's dive in. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're ready to level up. Hack number 1, optimize your morning routine. Your morning is the most critical part of your day. It either sets you up to win or fall behind. And after 40, you need structure and intention more than ever. Start with this simple, powerful routine: wake up at the same time every day. Drink 16 ounces of water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. Step outside for sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. This resets your circadian rhythm. Move your body, a short walk, stretching, bodyweight squats. No phone for the first 30 minutes, protect your focus and avoid negativity. This combo sets off your internal systems like a machine, regulating hormones, boosting mood, and unlocking all-day energy. Hack number 2, prioritize strength training. Muscle isn't just for looks, it's the foundation of your metabolism, energy, posture, and hormonal health. After 40, you lose 1% of muscle mass per year if you don't train. Here's the good news: you don't need to live in the gym. Just focus on the big stuff: compound lifts, squats, push-ups, rows, deadlifts. 3 to 4 times a week. 30 to 45 minutes per session. Keep rest periods short to naturally boost testosterone. Bonus, muscle is also anti-aging. It reduces injury risk, supports your joints, and keeps you functional well into your later years. Hack number 3, master your sleep. If you're not sleeping well, you're not recovering. And if you're not recovering, your testosterone, mental clarity, and immune system all take a hit. Men over 40 need high-quality sleep, and here's how to get it. Create a wind-down routine 1 hour before bed. Stop all screens, phone, TV, laptop. Take magnesium glycinate or drink herbal tea. Keep your room dark and cool, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Sleep is when your body repairs, regulates hormones, and detoxes the brain. Getting this right is non-negotiable if you want better energy and better health. Hack number 4, cut sugar, not fat. The old advice told you to cut fat. But here's the truth: fat doesn't make you fat. Sugar does. And even worse, sugar wrecks your testosterone, spikes insulin, increases belly fat, and drains your energy. It hides everywhere: breakfast cereal, salad dressings, sports drinks, low-fat products. Healthy fats, on the other hand, are essential for hormone production, brain health, and energy. Eat more of these: avocados, whole eggs, fatty fish like salmon, olive oil, grass-fed beef. Cutting sugar and fueling with healthy fats flips your metabolism from sluggish to fat-burning mode, fast. Hack number 5, get annual blood work. What gets measured gets managed. And your body has a dashboard: it's your blood work. Once a year, get a full panel including total and free testosterone, vitamin D levels, thyroid panel, TSH, T3, T4, inflammatory markers like CRP, lipid profile. This helps you spot problems before they become symptoms, and take action early. If your T is low, your energy, mood, and performance will suffer. If your vitamin D is low, so is your immune system. Simple tests, huge insight. Hack number 6, intermittent fasting, done right. After 40, your metabolism slows, unless you take charge. One powerful tool: intermittent fasting. The easiest way to start, the 16:8 method. Fast for 16 hours, include sleep. Eat during an 8-hour window, e.g. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. No snacking outside the window. During fasting, your body increases growth hormone, improves insulin sensitivity, and burns stored fat. Just make sure your meals are packed with protein, healthy fats, veggies. Hack number 7, sharpen your mindset. Here's the hidden edge most men ignore: mindset. Stress, fear, self-doubt, negative thinking, they all impact your health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, rises and testosterone crashes. You need a sharp, focused mind to stay in control. Here's how: daily gratitude, write 3 things each morning. 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation. Visualize your ideal self, strong, calm, focused. Set one intention each day and follow through. When your mind is right, your body follows. Energy returns. Motivation grows. Discipline feels easier. Alright, prime men, that's 7 powerful hacks every man over 40 should be using right now. Start with 1 or 2, and build from there. You'll be shocked how fast your body responds. If this helped you, like the video to support the mission, subscribe to Prime Man TV for weekly power-packed health content, comment below, which hack are you starting with? You're not getting older, you're getting sharper, stronger, and more focused than ever. Stay strong. Stay sharp. Stay primal.